I have here the VEVOR 52-inch electric rotisserie grill powered on so you can see the smooth, steady rotation right out of the gate. It turns slowly and evenly, which is exactly what you want for a whole animal or large cut cooking. Assembly is straightforward and takes about 20 minutes from start to finish. No special tools, just lining everything up and really tightening it down. I'm going section by section here so you can see how the frame comes together. It's stainless steel and feels solid once it's locked into place. All right, let's get started. When you have your animal, there are 4 hooks that hold the whole animal into place while you're skewering. 1 hook goes on each foot to keep everything balanced and secure during rotation. Once all 4 hooks are in place, you secure everything from the back with wing nuts. This is what keeps the meat from shifting while it's turning. There are also 4 ground stakes. They're used to anchor the rotisserie to the ground so it stays stable, especially when you're cooking over an open fire or charcoal. All right? You have these 2 meat prongs. These get pushed directly into the meat. They lock onto the spit so it rotates evenly without slipping. This is an electric motor, and the power button is over there on the right. All right, I'm just securing the other 2 meat hooks, and we are good. Going to turn this on. Very nice. This is what it looks like while it's turning. You're going to place this over your barbecue or your charcoal setup and use the adjustable height to control the heat. Where I live, it is the middle of winter, so we're testing this out. We're going to be putting this in our outdoor kitchen. So we are just waiting out until the spring. It is a very nice, high quality product, and we're so excited to use it. This is built for parties, holidays, and big outdoor cook events when you're feeding a crowd.